Hello children, let us learn the sound of the letter E. आज हम क्या सीखेंगे? लेटर E का साउंड सीखेंगे. ओके, तो आप ध्यान से सुनेंगे और मेरे साथ रिपीट करेंगे. Listen carefully and sing along. Okay? Ellie the elephant says E. What is the sound of E? A. So, Ellie the elephant says A. A says the letter E. I see an engine. A engine. An engine for Ellie. Ready? Ellie the elephant says A. A says the letter E. I see an engine. A engine. An engine for Ellie. Okay? Repeat it again and again. Now let's see the exercise. Look at the pictures and say the words. Pictures को देखकर words जोर से बोलना है. Okay? So what is this? Tell me loudly. This is an elephant. What is this? This is an egg. What is this? This is an engine. What is this? This is an envelope. Okay? Repeat the words again and practice the song again. Okay? Happy learning.